I was inspired to choose St. Edward's because of its justice-oriented mission. I grew up in Oklahoma, so I'm an out-of-state student, and I was really just looking for an environment that I could learn, grow, and thrive in, and this was it.
I chose St. Edward's because of the small class sizes. Coming from a very small high school with a graduating class of only 4 people, I knew that I wanted to choose someplace where I could really be someone, and St. Edward's was the perfect place to do so.
I decided to go to St. Edward's because of their dedication to the Holy Cross mission.
I went to a large high school that was full of cliques, and I was really only ever able to be friends with the people who I did activities with. That's why I was drawn to St. Edward's University. I saw that it was a small, tight-knit community that I couldn't wait to be a part of.
What inspired me to choose St. Edward's was definitely having the best of both worlds, a big city feel and also a small campus that feels comfortable and intimate.
I chose St. Edward's because of the small class sizes and an opportunity to be a part of a tight-knit community. I first visited the campus as a junior in high school in 2016 when I was a guest speaker at an event hosted by St. Edward's. I instantly fell in love with the campus, and it's like that saying, when you know, and I knew St. Edward's was for me, and I was right.
I was inspired to choose St. Edward's by alumni from my hometown suggesting that I visit campus. And when I did, I just fell in love with the natural spaces, the feeling of sanctuary, and I could really envision myself getting my education here.